In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a legend in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your Google Earth Pro, you want to go to File, top left, you want to hover over Save, and click on Save Image. Now, don't worry, it's not going to save your image automatically, just click on here, and as you can see, it's going to give you a few overlays over your image. So if I go to Map Options and click on Legend, it's going to enable the legend as well, and as you can see top right over here, you can see you now have a legend. You can move around and it's up here. If you want to customize it, click on it, so this pen button which appears when you hover over it, and from here of course you can go and select whatever you want to show on here and whatever you don't want to show on here. Then you can refresh from view, and there we go. Now of course over here you can also change the resolution, you have different map options, and if you actually do want to save an image, click on Save Image over here, and that's gonna do it for you. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.